So, heto ngayon. Anong oras na? Alas 10 pasado na. Um, dahil dumating ang ating love letter ng MOM. So, nakapag-decide tayo na pupunta sa doktor mag-medical. Dahil yan ang ano ng Singapore dito, lalo na kapag ikaw ay DH na tulad ko. So, ayan guys, ito yung letter ng MOM, love letter na pala. So, andyan lahat ng mga details ko. Kompleto yan. So, pupunta ako ngayon sa doktor kasi kailangan dito every 6 months ka magne-medical. So, hindi ka makapag-skip kumbaga. Basta ano lang. Pero lang kung may sakit ka, yun lang ang pwede mong makapag-excuse pero after na may sakit ka, pwede ka ba rin babalik na mag-medical. So ngayon, pupunta tayo sa doktor, sa aking doktor dito na pinag-medicalan ko. Mabilis lang naman guys kasi dugo lang ang kinukuha nila. Hindi tulad noon na maraming kinukuha nila ihi at saka dugo. Yun. Pero ngayon, hindi na kasi ano na daw, dugo na lang at makukuha na doon, madetect na doon lahat ng mga sakit mo. So, tara na guys, samahan nyo ako sa aking pag-medical ngayon. So, update kayo ulit guys. So, ayan guys, naglalakad na tayo. Dito na tayo sa malapit. Yan, kung nakikita nyo, dito tayo dadaan. So, ayan. Habang naglalakad, nag-e-enjoy muna. Nag-e-enjoy. So, ano ngayon guys, parang share ko lang yung experience ko dito na marami talagang experience sa tagal ko na dito sa Singapore. 16 years ko na dito sa Singapore since 2007 hanggang ngayon. So ang dami talagang pinagdaanan dito, masaya, malungkot yung pinagdaanan ko dito habang nandito ako nakikipagsapalaran sa Singapore. So ayan guys, dito na tayo sa ko family clinic. Dito tayo. So ayan guys, naghihintay ako ng queue number. Ay, ang tagal. Anong oras na? Mag-alas din ko na dito ako tapos dito pa ako nakapila. Sabi ka tagal ng doktor. Yan ang pinakaayaw ko kapag ako nagpapalikot dito. Sobrang bagal. So okay guys, update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Finally natawag na rin ako.
Yes. With your bag. So you went home for 2 weeks in March, right? Yes. It was a good holiday. So you've been this boss, I think we last time I said 16 years.
Yeah.
Wow, so very long. Should be very happy there, huh? So far everything okay?
Yeah,
happy, enough food, then mom family, no beat you, huh? No, sorry, not to ask.
Yes.
May I know your menstruation for December hasn't come yet, right?
Yeah, haven't.
November, when's the first day, please? Your menstruation?
November is 10.
10th of November.
Yeah.
Oh, should be coming soon for December. Yeah. Hey Rose, can you help me? Yeah, sorry, I forget. Can you help me lift up your, then this one a little, can you put your hand here, please? Okay, relax. Okay, thank you. Then this one can help me lift up your pants. So now government want us to check. So it's always wear something loose. Yeah. Okay, good, yeah. Then please sit up, Rose. Put your hair to the front, please. I need to check your back.
Oh.
Lift up your t-shirt. Yeah, okay, good, yeah. Okay, good, yeah. Thank you, yeah. Okay, you don't have a hair tie, right? No hair tie? Please tie up your nice, long, super long hair. Yeah. Okay, and I'll take the blood, yeah. Come sit down. Okay.
I think left, right, always left, right.
This side, let me see, please. Let me check. Yeah. It's always this hand, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take a look. Okay. I'm just going to just stand forward, backwards. Okay, good. Okay, please sit down. Can you help me exercise the hand? Can you put it down, please, and exercise the blood? Nice and fat, huh? You went home for two weeks, huh?
Yeah.
2 weeks. So was the house in a mess when you came back?
Oh, okay.
Was the house in a mess? Not really lah. Yes, Rose, I need help to open. Can you just help me press this? Yeah? Let it fall, don't worry about it, okay? In case I make. Don't need to hold so tight, yeah? Just like that. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so my body make it easier for me, sorry. Yeah? Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Come up.
Yeah, I just stuck at the top there. Maybe there's some time. Can you help me, as I mentioned, yeah, can you just press that? Yeah, press it open. Yeah, okay, let it drop it down. Don't worry about it. Let it fall on your end. Let it, yeah. Okay. Then can you just help me hold your hand, upper part there? Don't worry about that, yeah. Can you hold it further up, cover the whole arm? No, further down, the same place. Yes, sorry, yeah, thanks. Naughty again. Need some time. Love you too much. You press it harder, your hand. Don't move too much. Okay, just maintain this pressure. You are pressing harder, right?
Yeah.
You are. Sorry, Susan, can you come in again, please? Susan. Susan.
Okay ka.
Oh, it's coming. Okay, okay. Oh, mati oh, yan. Oh. Very naughty. You are pressing harder, right?
Mm.
You are. Okay, okay, a little bit more. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, so naughty like that. Okay, okay. Okay, you can let go your the hand already. Let go, thanks. Okay. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Can you help me press, please? Press harder. Sorry. Press harder. It's okay, thank you. Okay, can you help me just press for another 1 minute? Yeah. Okay, so see you in 6 months,
Okay,
Okay,
thank
no
you.
giddiness, Yes. No, okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye, Doc. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas,
Thank you daw.
Bye.
Merry Christmas to. So, tapos na. Nakuha na ng dugo. Oh. Siguro narinig yung ang tagal lumabas ng dugo. Tinulungan ko pa yung doktor na nag-press sa arms ko para lang lumabas yung dugo. As in talaga, ang tagal, naka-fix na yung yung needle. Walang talagang lumabas. Kinabahan pa ako. So, ito na yung bayad natin. Magbabayad natin. Pansinin natin kung magkano ang babayaran natin. Kung nag-increase bang babayaran o hindi. So, okay guys, update you again later. Pag magkano ang babayaran natin. Kinakabahan ako. Wala lang dugo. So, okay guys, tapos na ang ating medical. Tanggalin na natin ang ating face mask kasi lalo akong nahihilo. Yung tagal kong nakuha na ng dugo. So, hanggang dito na lamang guys. Ang ganda ang aking background. Ito na yung aking kamay na medical. So, congratulations to myself for 16 years sa pag-stay ko dito sa Singapore. Malapit nang mag-citizen. Joke lang. So, anyway guys, thank you so much. May kalaw shout out sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa patiently na nanood sa aking video. So, hanggang dito na lamang guys. Thank you so much and bye-bye. God bless everyone. Bye.